Welcome to the iMia iPhone demonstration video. I'm going to show some of the basic usage of the application. Let's start by poking around on my personal blog. As you'll see throughout this demonstration, the iPhone has a full web browser that's capable of displaying sites just like a typical desktop browser. The biggest problem you'll notice is really the size of the screen, and that most sites were not originally designed for a small device like the iPhone. This is where our iMia application fits in. iMia is our attempt to build a standard iPhone web application specifically for the Mia CMS, Mambo, and Joomla content management systems. We wanted this to look as much as possible like a standard iPhone app, make it as lightweight as possible, fast, and very simple to browse on a small device like the iPhone. So let's simulate what it might be like to browse my site just through the standard iPhone interface. Obviously you can tell right off the bat that the text is too small. So we'll double tap to zoom in and scroll down through the page. Double tap to zoom back out, move our way back up the page, perhaps click on a link at the very top. Again, scrolling down the page, too small to see, so we'll zoom in, zoom back out. So as you can see, perfectly capable, but yet a bit cumbersome to constantly zoom in, zoom out, pinch to expand, and contract the page. So again, what we did was to create this standard interface, much like a native iPhone application, to make things easier and more appealing to iPhone users. What we wanted to do is create a common way across all of these content management systems for users to understand and know how to react to the fact that this site supports a more of a native iPhone interface. What we've done is create a module that can be published on any one of these CMSs, and it's noticeable through a button that the site owner can place anywhere on the site. In this case, we'll just click on this iPhone button, which will actually launch the hosted application off of brilaps.com and present us more of a native application look and feel, almost like a sitemap, if you will. What we have here off my personal blog is a list. The initial page is a list of all the sections and categories within the site. So in this case, articles, how-to, reviews, these are all sections, and then informational, your music and Linux commands, wireless, these are all categories within the site. Go ahead and click on this first one, informational. Now what this did is actually pull up a list of articles that fall within that informational category. I'm going to go ahead and click on this first one. And here I'm presented with the full text of the article. At the very top is the title, the author, and then the date that it was published. The full article is displayed in HTML as it would be on the original site. Links are kept intact. Any fully qualified inline images are displayed. And at the very bottom of the article, as is the case for any article within the site, is this text that says the original content item can be found here. Clicking on this here link will launch a new page within the iPhone to the original article on the original site. Go back and show you one more thing. The interface is fully capable of adjusting itself as the user flips the iPhone left or right, as is pretty common. As you can see, it will adjust itself to the correct ratio. And that concludes this session. If you have any questions or suggestions, please stop by the Brilaps forums. It's forums.brilaps.com, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks.